Hello again and marhaban. So far we've learned the digits and how to count from 0 to 9. But why stop there? Let's carry on. What comes after 9? 10. 10. What comes after 9? 10. Congratulations. Now you can count your fingers. 10. 10. Keep practicing. And let's move on. Let's dive into the teens. The numbers from 11 to 19. The teens are basically a combination of 10 and the numbers from 1 to 9. Let's start with 11. أحد عشر. أحد. I mean, in English it's 11, not one teen. So it's kind of normal, kind of figures that it would sound like kind of an anomaly. Actually, أحد looks like, as if واحد, the number واحد, which means one, lost the waw and the alif gained the hamza. Okay, actually, you know what, that doesn't sound so different from واحد, أحد and واحد. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Now, why عشر and not عشرة? We're gonna learn more about that in the numbers genders video. عشر is male 10. عشرة is female 10. We're gonna learn more about that. But for now, 11 is أحد عشر. Keep this in mind, okay? أحد عشر. Now, next. 12. إثنى عشر. 12, in English 12, not two teens. So again, it's normal for إثنى عشر to also sound like an anomaly. Though إثنى doesn't sound so different to إثنى instead of إثنان. It's like the noon at the end of إثنان was replaced by عشر. Again, I'd love to read your opinion about this in the comments. Okay, comment below. Let's move on. 13, which is ثلاثة عشر. Okay, now things are gonna get easier. It's simply ثلاثة, which means 3, the number 3, followed by عشر, 10. Okay, ثلاثة followed by عشر. Meaning from now on, the numbers from 13 till 19 are simply the same number from 3 to 9, followed by 10 or عشر.
We'll need an usher. Usher, is there an usher?
Okay, so 13 is ثلاثة عشر. 14 is أربعة عشر. أربعة عشر. Can you guess what 15 is? Yep. خمسة عشر. Cool. How about 16? Very good. ستة عشر. ستة عشر. Okay. 17. Absolutely. سبعة عشر. سبعة عشر. How about 18? You're right. ثمانية عشر. ثمانية عشر. And finally, 19. You got it. تسعة عشر. See, I told you, Arabic is not hard. So you know what to do now, okay? Practice, practice, practice. Can't say it enough. Start by counting from 10 to 19 to practice what you learned today. Then count from 0 till 19 to practice all what you've learned so far. And of course, if you have any questions or any thoughts, then comment them below. I'll see you in the next video.